So today we're going to be checking out some carbon fiber pieces that you can put in the interior of your C8 Corvette. And this is going to be a 1 of 3 part video because we're going to be featuring 3 different pieces that are going to go into the interior that's going to kind of help complete the look. With that being said, let's get started with this video. So thanks for tuning in, guys. So like I said, this is going to be part 1 of 3 in regards to interior carbon fiber pieces that we're going to put in the C8 Corvette. Now, these are the pieces that are going to cover some of the last bits of trim and kind of just complete the look of it. I mean, you have the main pieces that you can change out. These are going to be the smaller, finer details that's going to be of interest to you if you like to take your C8 Corvette to like the car shows and such, and you want that full carbon fiber look inside. This is going to kind of help round out that. So let me show you the carbon fiber pieces that I'm talking about here. So alrighty, so we have the 3 different pieces here. And like I said, I'm going to be splitting this video up into 3 different smaller videos. So we'll do 1 piece basically per video. Now you can kind of see through the foam padding, kind of what pieces we're dealing with here. And I mean, I was going to try to get fancy with trying to figure out which one I wanted to do first, but just to make it easier, we're just going to go left to right. So we're going to look at these pieces here first. So alrighty, so let's take a look at what we got here. If I can hold the camera as well as take out this piece, which I think I can do. Let's see. And take that out. So this piece right here, if you already have a C8 Corvette, you probably are aware where this is probably going to go. This is going to go right where the door button switch is going to be right here. So putting this over the other one, so putting this as an overlay piece, which is exactly what this is, it fits actually really, really well. You might see a little bit of silver peeking out from here, but overall the fitment looks really, really good. And like I said before, this is a cover piece right here, so it already has the double-sided tape already pre-installed. So all you got to do is just clean the spot right there, and then take off the backing for this double-sided tape, stick it on there, and you're done pretty much. So this retails for $65 from EOS, which is a pretty good deal. You get the left hand and right hand side, and this is a full piece of carbon fiber. It's genuine carbon fiber. It's a cover, so it's pretty thin. And I'm actually kind of impressed at how well they were able to do it, especially some of these areas here, which are kind of really, really thin and just a sleeve there, but it does well at covering the entire silver piece on your door button section. I actually really, really like it. It's like I said, these are smaller pieces that we're going to be looking at, kind of just to complete the look. If you've seen my C8 Corvette in previous videos, I mean, you see I love carbon fiber, and I'm just slowly adding on different carbon fiber pieces, especially just to take care of some of this excess silver that, I mean, it looks nice, but I just personally prefer carbon fiber. So adding this piece right here is going to look really, really nice. And I mean, I don't mind the little silver button still sticking out kind of deal. I think it looks really, really cool here. So let's get this installed, and then we can show you how it looks on the car. So alrighty guys, so we have finished installing these carbon fiber covers for the door buttons on the C8 Corvette, and it looks pretty good. Now the install process for this was really easy. It took less than 2 minutes. All you gotta do is just clean the sections, take the backing of the tape on the carbon fiber pieces, and then just, put them on. So it was super easy, something you could definitely do from home. And honestly, for what these pieces are, they look really good. They help complete the look inside the C8 Corvette, especially if you're going for a carbon fiber look and you want to try to get rid of some of the silver pieces, at least visually. Now, in regards to fitment, this fit really, really well for as complex of a little piece that it is. You have a little bit of gap on the back edge of it, which I did notice, but honestly, it's one of those things that if you're not really paying attention or really looking for it, you're not going to see it. So I do think for the money, this is a really good piece, especially if you're trying to get that full look. And it really doesn't cost that much. You can definitely like gift this to a friend kind of deal, or family, or whomever has a C8 in your life kind of deal. It's a really good gift, and like whether it's the holidays or just somebody's birthday or whatever you want to call it. But I definitely do recommend these pieces. And in general, I would go into my spiel of trying to ceramic coat all carbon fiber pieces, but honestly, these pieces don't really need that kind of deal. They're not going to really see that much direct sunlight, and they're not going to be exposed to like any kind of real harsh elements. So so you could definitely bypass trying to ceramic coat these, and you're not going to have to worry about them really yellowing or anything like that. So in any case, I think these are great little pieces. I do recommend them. I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested in checking them out for your C8 Corvette. And this will complete part 1 of 3 of our mini series of episodes covering like different little basically accent pieces to go and complete the carbon fiber look. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please check out any of my other videos, and we'll see you next time. Take care, guys.